Are you a woodworker? Are you spending way too much time getting good vector files for cutting on your CNC machine? With the Logic Trace system, all I have to do is trace the outline with the pen stylus and I will have a great file in a matter of minutes. I can do lines, arcs, curves, and circles. Here on this one part here, I'm doing it as a curve fit through points where I just digitize the curve and then it will turn that into a nice smooth curve. Switch to arcs and do some arcs here. So I just trace my outline with a pen stylus. There's no measuring, I just trace. And then I am going to save a great file that's all ready for loading into any CNC software and cutting out with any woodworking CNC machine. Just trace the outline, save the file. One more piece here. I'm going to save a DXF file and cut it out of wood. There it is. I'm all done. Let's save the file and cut it.